Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to fix Facebook blank notification, cannot click and remove problem solve. Click settings. Click app management. Click app list. Click Facebook. Click force stop. Click storage use. Click clear data. Then click OK. Click permission. Then allow all permission. Then open Google Play Store. Search Facebook. If you get any update, please update. Then restart your phone. Now open your Facebook app. Log in your account. You will see that all your problems have been solved. Thanks for watching.